Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mac and PC Prime video. In today's video, I'll show you two reliable ways to reinstall macOS on your MacBook M4 and Mac Mini M4. Whether your Mac is running slowly, stuck on the Apple logo, won't boot, or you simply want a fresh installation, this guide will walk you through the entire process. We'll cover reinstalling macOS using macOS Recovery, reinstalling macOS using a bootable USB installer, erasing your Mac safely, recovering from startup problems, common mistakes to avoid. These methods work with MacBook Air M4 and MacBook Pro M4, Mac Mini M4, iMac M4, Apple Silicon models. Let's get started. Before reinstalling macOS, there are a few important things to know. If your Mac still works, back up your files using Time Machine External SSD iCloud Drive. A clean installation will erase everything on the internal drive. If you're simply reinstalling macOS without erasing the disk, your personal data is usually preserved, but creating a backup is still strongly recommended. You'll also need a stable Wi-Fi connection, your Apple ID password, the Mac charger connected throughout the installation. Important: if you're simply reinstalling macOS to repair your system and you intend to keep using the same Mac yourself, signing out of your Apple ID is optional. However, if you're performing a full erase or preparing the Mac for a new owner, signing out first is strongly recommended. Method 1. Reinstall macOS from recovery. This is the easiest and recommended method. Step 1. Completely shut down the Mac. Wait about 10 seconds. Step 2. Press and hold the power button. Keep holding it. Don't release when the Apple logo appears. Continue holding until you see Loading Startup Options. Step 3. Click Options. Then click Continue. Your Mac will now boot into macOS Recovery. Step 4. Choose your administrator account. Enter the password. You'll now see the macOS Utilities window. Clean install. If you're selling the Mac, removing malware, fixing severe system corruption, or starting fresh, you'll want a clean installation. Warning: this permanently deletes all data. Open Disk Utility. Click View Show All Devices. Select the internal SSD, usually named Apple SSD. Click Erase Mac. Click Erase Mac and restart. It now shows Activate Mac. Now connect to Wi-Fi on this laptop. Your Mac is activated. Click Exit to Recovery. Now select Reinstall macOS. Follow the installation steps. Method 2. Install macOS from a bootable USB. Sometimes recovery doesn't work. Maybe your internet is slow, maybe recovery is corrupted, or you simply want a faster installation. In those cases, a bootable USB installer is very useful. You'll need a 32GB or larger USB drive, another working Mac, the Mac OS installer downloaded from the App Store or Apple support pages, boot from USB on an M4 Mac. Connect the USB installer, turn off the Mac, press and hold the power button. When Startup Options appears, select the USB installer, click Continue. If prompted, choose a startup disk or authenticate with an administrator account. The Mac OS installer will launch. If performing a clean install, open Disk Utility, erase the internal SSD, quit Disk Utility, select Install Mac OS, choose Macintosh HD. The installation will begin. After installation completes, choose your country, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Apple ID, restore your Time Machine backup if desired, or choose Set up as new Mac. You'll now have a fresh installation of macOS. And that's how you can reinstall macOS on a MacBook M4 using macOS Recovery or a bootable USB installer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.